The United States Army has taken a significant step in strengthening global anti-tank capabilities with the latest expansion of the Javelin missile program. On September 3, 2025, Lockheed Martin announced that the U.S. Army had awarded the Javelin joint venture, a partnership between Lockheed Martin and Raytheon, a new production contract for fiscal year 2025 valued at $900.5 million. The contract encompasses the supply of Javelin missiles, supporting equipment, and associated services, including foreign military sales. Notably, this agreement introduces the Javelin system to Brazil and Tunisia for the first time, marking the missile's entry into South America and North Africa and broadening its global footprint. The FGM-148 Javelin is widely recognized as one of the most effective and versatile anti-tank systems in the world. Designed in the United States, the man-portable, infrared-guided missile incorporates a fire-and-forget capability that allows a single operator to engage armored targets with precision and efficiency. The system combines a reusable command launch unit, CLU, weighing 6.4 kilograms with an 11.8 kilogram missile featuring a tandem-shaped charge warhead. This warhead is capable of penetrating 600 to 800 millimeters of rolled homogeneous armor, including explosive reactive armor. Its top attack trajectory, designed to strike the most vulnerable portion of an armored vehicle, the roof, makes the Javelin exceptionally lethal against modern tanks and other heavily protected vehicles. The missile's operational range is between 2,500 and 4,000 meters, with vehicle-mounted launches extending the maximum reach to 4,750 meters. Beyond its anti-armor role, the system is also effective against bunkers, fortified buildings, light vessels, and slow-moving helicopters, further enhancing its versatility on the battlefield. The decision to expand Javelin deployment into Brazil and Tunisia underscores the growing demand for advanced defensive systems across multiple continents. This contract is part of an indefinite delivery, indefinite quantity production agreement originally awarded in May 2023, which allows the Javelin joint venture to adapt production to fluctuating requirements while maintaining a steady supply for the U.S. Army and allied forces. Since the start of 2025, the venture has implemented new tools and testing equipment designed to increase production efficiency and meet higher output targets. The global proliferation of armored threats and evolving conflict scenarios has intensified the pressure on defense supply chains, making such production enhancements crucial to maintaining operational readiness. International interest in the Javelin has consistently remained high, reflecting the missile's combat-proven performance. Over the past 2 decades, the system has seen action in diverse operational theaters, including Afghanistan, Iraq, and most recently Ukraine. Its success in these conflicts has contributed to the widespread adoption of the Javelin by more than 25 countries. According to Brian Burton, Vice President of Precision Fires and Maneuver at Raytheon, the Javelin continues to be one of the most extensively deployed systems in modern combat. Burton emphasized the close cooperation between the joint venture, the U.S. Army, and international customers, highlighting how investment in production infrastructure ensures that global demand can be met reliably. The latest contract also reinforces the system's importance to NATO allies and other partner nations. Estonia and Bulgaria, key NATO members, are included among the recipients of the new Javelin units, while Australia, an important Indo-Pacific partner, is also set to benefit. Rich Lichin, JJV Vice President and Lockheed Martin Javelin Program Director, noted that the award reflects customer confidence in the missile's reliability and performance. He stressed the joint venture's capability to scale production to meet the evolving needs of a global customer base, especially as threats continue to grow in complexity and frequency. Manufacturing of the Javelin is a collaborative effort between Raytheon in Tucson, Arizona, and Lockheed Martin in Orlando, Florida. Since its inception, the program has delivered over 55,000 missiles and more than 12,000 reusable launch units to armed forces around the world. This extensive production history has not only cemented the Javelin as a cornerstone of modern ground arsenals but also ensured that operators have access to a proven, reliable system in multiple theaters of operation. With the introduction of Javelins into Brazil and Tunisia, the missile will now be operational across nearly every continent, leaving Antarctica as the only exception, further demonstrating its global reach. The U.S. Army's decision to expand Javelin deployments also reflects broader strategic considerations. As nations around the world confront increasingly sophisticated armored threats, the demand for versatile, high-performance anti-tank systems is on the rise. The Javelin's unique combination of portability, precision, and lethality makes it well-suited to address both conventional and asymmetric threats. Its operational flexibility, capable of engaging stationary and moving targets, urban and open terrain, as well as fortified structures, ensures that Allied forces can respond effectively to a wide range of scenarios. Moreover, the $900 million contract highlights the continuing partnership between Lockheed Martin and Raytheon. Industrial collaboration between these two defense giants allows the joint venture to leverage specialized manufacturing expertise, maintain consistent quality, and meet the accelerating pace of global demand. The expanded deployment also represents a significant geopolitical signal, demonstrating the United States' commitment to strengthening the defense capabilities of partners in strategically important regions such as South America and North Africa. By equipping Brazil and Tunisia with the Javelin system, the U.S. not only enhances regional security but also reinforces defense ties and industrial cooperation with allied nations. Investment in production infrastructure has been a key component of the Javelin program's success. In addition to introducing new tools and testing mechanisms, the joint venture has focused on streamlining production processes to improve efficiency and reduce turnaround times. This proactive approach ensures that both domestic and international customers receive the system without delays, even as the geopolitical landscape continues to shift. The ability to quickly respond to emerging threats and sustain high operational readiness has been a defining feature of the program, contributing to its continued adoption and trust by armed forces worldwide. The operational history of the Javelin, coupled with its proven combat effectiveness, underscores why it remains a preferred choice for modern militaries. From defeating armored vehicles in urban warfare to neutralizing fortifications in conflict zones, the missile's versatility has made it indispensable. Additionally, its fire-and-forget design allows operators to reposition immediately after launch, reducing exposure to counterattacks and enhancing battlefield survivability. These features make the Javelin not only a tactical asset but also a force multiplier, improving overall mission success rates and operational efficiency. With the new contract in place, the Javelin is poised to play an even larger role in global defense strategies. Its introduction into new regions, the reinforcement of NATO and Indo-Pacific allies, and the continued production improvements demonstrate the system's sustained relevance and adaptability. The combination of advanced technology, international cooperation, and industrial capability ensures that the Javelin will continue to serve as a key instrument of defense for the United States and its partners for years to come. The deployment to Brazil and Tunisia represents a significant milestone in this ongoing evolution, solidifying the missile's position as a globally recognized, combat-proven anti-tank solution capable of meeting the demands of modern warfare across multiple theaters.